Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to see your removed friend and sent friend requests and more all inside your activity log. First of all, go to the setting and privacy and scroll down to get activity log. This section keeps your activity of almost everything you do on Facebook, but very few people ever explore it. First option is your friends list. You can unfriend easily and your removed friend. Here you will find a list of friends you've removed. Facebook actually recorded it, so you can look back and see exactly who no longer on your list because you removed them. And here you can check your sent friend requests. This shows all the requests you've sent that are still pending. It's super useful if you want to cancel all the requests you've completely forgotten about. And here you can see your followers or people you follow. So the activity log, it's your backstage pass to all your actions on Facebook, from removed friends to friend requests and more. If you found this helpful, stick around here on Technoterabyte for more smart tips. And remember, knowledge is power, especially on social media.